If you've been hanging around Soil Sage Chronicles for a while, you already know I'm obsessed with discovering those sneaky soil hacks the old gardeners swear by but never actually explain. Today, I'm letting you in on one of the most overlooked, misunderstood, and quietly powerful gardening methods I've ever used. It's simple, it's low cost, and once you set it up, it feeds your plants constantly, day and night, without you lifting another finger. Imagine a narrow underground chamber running alongside your garden bed, like a hidden nutrient pipeline. Inside it, kitchen scraps, greens, browns, and garden leftovers break down quietly. As decomposition happens, nutrients seep sideways into the root zone of your plants. Microbes travel freely. Earthworms migrate in and out. Moisture is retained longer. It's like placing a slow-release fertilizer factory right next to your plants. A compost tunnel isn't a bin, it isn't a pile, it's a buried breathable compost corridor, usually made from mesh, perforated tubing, or even simple trenches filled with organic matter. The magic comes from proximity. Nutrients are released exactly where your plants can use them, not several feet away. When this underground buffet starts cooking, plants respond fast. Deeper roots, greener leaves, bigger harvests, and far fewer watering issues. Here's the part most beginners miss. Compost works best when it's alive in the soil, not sitting in a pile waiting months to be finished. With a compost tunnel, decomposition happens in real time. Microbes don't have to travel far. Worms move nutrients directly to your plant roots. Heat from decomposition keeps soil active. Even in cooler months, moisture is held more evenly, and because it's buried, there are no smells, no pests, and no turning involved. This method mimics how forest floors feed themselves naturally. Leaves fall, break down slowly under the soil surface, and trees absorb nutrients as soon as they become available. We're just speeding up nature's blueprint and putting it to work in a tidy, gardener-controlled system. You don't need fancy tools or a big garden, honestly. You can do this in raised beds, kitchen gardens, containers, or even along the edge of your flower beds. Here's the simplest version I've perfected on Soil Sage Chronicles. Dig a narrow trench about 20 to 30 centimeters deep and 20 centimeters wide along one side of your bed. Place something breathable inside. Mesh tubing, old perforated buckets laid sideways, or even just a row of sticks and compostable materials. Fill the trench with alternating layers of green scraps, which give you nitrogen, and brown materials for carbon. Cover it all with soil and plant along the trench's edge. Add new scraps weekly or monthly as it settles. That's it. No aerating, no churning, molasses, thick piles. Just passive decomposition doing the heavy lifting for you. And if you garden in clay soil, this method is a lifesaver. It breaks up compacted earth faster than any tool I've ever used. I first tried compost tunnels because, honestly, I was tired of hauling finished compost around my yard, but the results blew me away. Over the years, I've noticed 4 underrated benefits that just don't get enough love. First, plants grow in a microbe paradise. Compost tunnels become microbial highways. Instead of scattering microbes randomly, you create a concentrated zone of life right where roots need it. Plants start partnering with microbes faster, leading to strong, efficient root systems. It's like giving your plants their own biological support team. Second, worms become your full-time garden crew. This is the real magic if you ask me. Earthworms are naturally drawn to decomposing organic matter. They move in, process it, and leave nutrient-rich castings directly inside your root zone. Over a single season, a compost tunnel can transform a dead, compacted bed into a soft, worm-rich oasis. Third, your soil holds water like a sponge. Because the tunnel breaks down slowly, it acts like a buried moisture reservoir. Even during heat waves, plants stay hydrated longer. I noticed I could cut my watering almost in half during the driest months. Gardeners fighting drought or water restrictions, this method is your new best friend. It reduces fertilizer dependency. Store-bought fertilizers give quick bursts of energy, but tunnels offer slow, steady nutrition. Plants stay healthy without sudden growth spikes or crashes. After a few months of using tunnels, you'll notice fewer yellowing leaves, more consistent growth, and stronger disease resistance, naturally. Where you place your tunnel makes all the difference. Each plant has different nutrient needs. Along tomato and pepper rows, tunnels provide steady, root-level nutrition tomatoes adore, besides squash or pumpkins, which love rich soil and worm activity. Under berry rows, especially strawberries and raspberries, which thrive with slow-release feeding. Inside raised beds to build long-term soil structure. Along hedges or ornamental borders to reduce the need for constant fertilizing. You can even build 2 tunnels, one on each side of a bed, if you're growing heavy feeders. It's like putting your plants between 2 underground buffets. How long does it last? Once established, a compost tunnel feeds soil for years. The organic matter will settle over time, and you can refresh it by simply adding new kitchen scraps into the tunnel every few weeks. Some gardeners open their tunnels once a year to top them up. Others leave them sealed and feed them from small access holes. Either way, the tunnel continues working quietly beneath the soil, long after you forget it's even there. The compost tunnel is almost foolproof, but a few small adjustments make it even smoother. If the tunnel settles too quickly, add more browns for structure. If it seems slow to break down, add more greens or water lightly. If you attract ants, your tunnel is too dry, moisten it and add a handful of soft greens. If the area feels too warm, don't worry, that's the decomposition engine running perfectly. Most gardeners overthink this method. Remember, nature wants to break things down. Your job is simply to create a comfy space for it to happen. Some gardening trends fade fast, but anything rooted in natural soil processes will always stay relevant. Compost tunnels don't rely on gadgets, manufactured fertilizers, or complicated tools. They rely on biology, the one thing your plants understand better than anything else. If Soil Sage Chronicles could share one message forever, it would be this: healthy soil grows everything. The compost tunnel just gives your soil a head start, a 24/7 head start. The compost tunnel trick is one of those rare gardening methods that's both beginner-friendly and expert-approved. It turns your soil into a living engine, feeds your plants day and night, and keeps your garden thriving with very little work. So, whether you're tending a small raised bed, a balcony garden, or a full backyard homestead, give this method a try. Your plants will thank you in ways you can see, touch, and harvest. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure you subscribe to Soil Sage Chronicles, hit that like button, and share this article with another gardener who's ready to take their soil game to sage level. Happy growing, Soil Sage!